What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out the brokerage app. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Go click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'm going to also send you a Webull tutorial video to walk you through how to use the Webull app to make your first trade. All you got to do is send me an email. Let me know you've opened your Webull account. Let me know you funded your Webull account, and I'm going to send you that Webull tutorial video. My email address is down in the description box of this video. Well, guys, November CPI report came out, and we're going to talk about the results. But before we talk about the November CPI inflation report, let's talk about what's happening today. The Federal Reserve is having their last meeting of 2023. And that meeting is going to be Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Now, the most important thing I want you guys to take away from this video is you have to be available tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. The Fed Chairman, Jerome Powell, will be speaking to the American people. And the reason that is important is because he's going to give us some forward guidance. What that means is he's going to kind of tell us what's happening presently with inflation, and then more importantly, what the Fed foresees happening in the near future and what they're prepared to do to act on it. I think the Fed chair will be basically saying, we've not raised interest rates for 5 months, because I don't believe they will raise interest rates tomorrow. Most experts don't believe they will either. And that will be 5 months in a row since the Fed has increased short-term interest rates. The last rate hike was in July of 2023. That's important because of 2024. If we want to see some progress in our net worth, then we have to hope that the Fed does not increase short-term interest rates in 24. More importantly, we also have to hope, keep our fingers crossed, that they start reducing short-term interest rates. And that's expected. Probably around May or June of 2024, we can kind of expect interest rates to be coming down, hopefully. That's why that forward guidance that the Fed chair will be given tomorrow is going to be important, because that will let us know, that will give us sort of a precursor to 2024 and what they plan on doing. So make yourself available for that tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, right? Now let's go back to the November CPI inflation report. What were the results? Well, let's start with headline inflation. In October, headline inflation came in at 3.2%. In November, it was slightly better. It came in at 3.1%. All that means is year over year, prices of our goods and services increased by 3.1%. What we'd like for our goods and services to increase by, from a price standpoint, is 2%. 3.1% year over year. So not at the 2%, but getting close. When we talk about core inflation, that came in at 4% in November, year over year. October, year over year, it came in at 4% as well. Now that's core inflation. That's stripping out food and energy costs, right? When you take those two out of the equation, inflation or prices of our goods and services year over year went up by 4%. In my opinion, guys, that's all good news. Good news, because that tells me even with the Fed not increasing short-term interest rates for 4 months, soon to be 5 months, inflation has stabilized itself. Not going up, but slightly coming down. That is good news for our economy. That is good news for us as investors. And if you were paying attention to the markets this morning, when the November CPI inflation numbers came out, the market pretty much gave a sigh of relief. It did not panic and people started selling off. It didn't automatically just rally either. It just sort of stayed stable. Didn't do much, in my opinion. Again, guys, I'm no expert here. I'm just giving you my opinion on what I saw and what I think will be happening going forward. So the market was fine. The market, in my opinion, said, okay, we knew inflation would do this. So no rally, no sell-off, just stayed stable. Which in my opinion, again, guys, is all good news, because we don't want inflation to do anything to cause what? The Fed to keep raising interest rates. We want the Fed to stop. And again, tomorrow, December 13th, I don't believe they will increase short-term interest rates. I think they will still keep interest rates exactly where they are, which is right now, it's peaked at 5.5%. That's the Fed funds rate, AKA short-term interest rates. What should we be doing as investors? We should be setting ourselves up to be able to have money, have income, to be able to invest through dollar cost averaging all of 2024. Because I think we're going to have some good news as it relates to decreasing short-term interest rates at some time around mid-year. But until mid-year, you need to be, well, I can't tell you what to do, but what I'm going to be doing is buying assets, paper assets, ETFs, and individual stocks, as much as I can afford to buy. And I'm stockpiling them because I believe when rates start coming down, I think the stock market starts going up. That's what my belief. So I'm going to be, over these next 7 months, I'm going to be just stockpiling my favorite ETFs and my favorite individual stocks, my favorite index funds, preparing for this next bull market that I believe will start sometime in 2024. Guys, drop me some comments and let me know what you think about the November CPI inflation report and what does that mean for interest rates. Do you think interest rates will stay steady? Fed won't increase? Do you think the Fed will decrease? Do you think the Fed will increase? I think they're going to just hold steady and do nothing. But I'd love to hear your comments, so drop them down in the comment box. If you want them 12 free stocks from Webull, guys, you got to click on that link down in the description box. Open up that Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Share the video. Smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.